Hi, if you're a Fireblocks admin responsible for governance, security, or operations, this one's for you. Today, we're walking through the new Policy Overview screen, a single unified view designed to give you complete visibility and control over how transactions are governed in your workspace. Until now, understanding your full policy posture meant navigating through multiple screens, checking transaction rules here, approval workflows there, and hoping nothing was missed. The new Policy Overview screen changes that. Everything you need to understand, audit, and act on your policies in one place. Let's walk through what you'll see in the policy engine. At the very top of the screen, you'll notice your pinned policies. These are the policies that you've chosen to keep within quick reach in your navigation bar. Right next to them, you can access all the other activity policies in your workspace. And separately, you can always access your compliance policies from here as well. Below that, you have 3 cards that give you the most important information at a glance about your policy lifecycle, plus one that takes you straight to the policy inspector. The first card is your publish queue. This is where you see any policy that have started a publish process and are awaiting approval before they go into effect. In this example, you can see 2 separate publish requests, one for a typed policy message and another covering AML and contract deployment. From here, you can review the proposed changes and approve or reject those policies. The second card gives you a live read on your active policy health, highlighting any policy that may require your attention. The third card is your administrative event log, a running record of everything that happened in your policy lifecycle. You can see which policies have been edited, drafts that have been submitted for review, policies that were rejected, and those that have been approved and are currently in effect. The fourth card is your Getaway to the Policy Inspector, a powerful tool for deep diving into your policy rules, which we will cover in a separate video. Scrolling down, you'll see a full list of the policies currently active in your workspace. For each one, you can see how many rules it contains, when it was last published, and its current state. Notice here that a deployment policy is awaiting approval, and that the new draft exists for the transfer policies, so we can always know exactly where things stand. On the right-hand side of each row, there are quick action buttons, letting you export specific policy, pin it to the top navigation bar for fast access, or quickly add a new rule directly to the policy. And at the top of this section, there's a global search, so you can find any rule across your entire policy database, regardless of type. Finally, you can switch between 2 layouts. Layout view, the legacy card view, which you may already be familiar with, and the new line view for a more compact, scannable experience.